Okay. That's no longer valid, right? Sell side liquidity. Happened at midnight, so sell side liquidity. It's down there. Cool. Sell side liquidity down there. Buy side liquidity kind of up here. We'll do this. That's a 4-hour one, so 1-hour one. Yes, indeed. Kind of massive. There you have fair value gap. Okay. Here we are. Obviously a very bearish trend at the moment. As you can see. Kind of hard to just do this like that. Essentially. Pretty choppy at the moment though. Okay, so we have that, we have 1 hour, so 4-hour. And then we have also a 1 hour here, and also 1 hour value gap. 30 minutes. 30 minutes is kind of there. That goes. I don't think we do it now. Block. No. Okay, sorry. Welcome to the stream. We are currently trading the opening period. Once again, I don't usually do opening periods. I usually come on in 2 hours. But again, like yesterday, I have to go a bit early, unfortunately, so I only can trade between the opening and 4:30. It's currently 2:42. So I apologize about that. I'm not too comfortable trading the opening, but we'll follow our rules, follow our things, our setups. If we see something, we take it. If we don't see anything, we don't take it. And we move off with next week. If there's no trade, we don't trade. We're looking for high quality setups. Okay, news-wise, no news left today. Everything happened before open. We had good employment change and good unemployment rates. That is very positive for the economy in the long term. Tariffs were announced in Canada, I know, I think yesterday actually. Well, let me just also check my stream if it sounds good. And good unemployment rates. That is very positive for. Alright, that sounds good. Okay, cool. So, right, what is the, people always say, what's the bias coming into the market? I don't like saying the bias. I prefer saying, where is the market actually going? Because when you say bias, you're kind of opening yourself to your own biases. So using that word, I don't like. So instead we can say, where is the market going? Or what is it showing us right now? Well, since yesterday's close, we've had a bit of a curve around here, and now we're now in a bearish trend. We're now coming into a bit of a flat wedge, like so, as you can see. Oh, let me just turn off the magnet. This kind of wedge right here. We have very strong fair value gaps above, and we have very strong 4-hour fair value gap right here. as you can see, we're still kind of stuck in the like this entire rise. We're still stuck in the premium section. We still haven't broken out of it, but so we'll see. We might break out of it today. We might not. We shall see. I would say there's arguments to be made for it to bounce off this sell side liquidity. It might go down, grab the sell side, and then start bouncing back up towards these giant fair value gaps. So we'll see how that goes. For now, we just wait and observe for it to react, or for it to come anyways into something that we can take. What might happen now, unfortunately, is between now and, well, close, in fact, it can just be bouncing around this wedge. So we'll see what happens. Again, we are going to the downside. Let me just see if this matches any patterns that I'm aware of. It might not. As of right now, there's nothing to take, in my opinion. Even if you were to go long right now, I wouldn't feel comfortable with doing that. Yeah, so we're currently in a thing called descending triangle, the pattern anyways, where you have a flat bottom and a descending bearish trend resistance line above it. Now, just because that's what it is doesn't mean anything. It's very bilateral. It can still break out either way, very possible. But that's the short term. But the long term outlook, in my opinion, is going to happen because we hit this resistance fair value gap right here, this 4-hour one, already once. We have a strong argument to start bouncing back up here again. And we also hit buy side liquidity back here yesterday, and we came back down and did not crash through all the way. So we have good arguments to be bullish for a reversal, but for that to happen, I need to see a sign. I need to see a sign of that actually happening. Right now there's no trades. There's nothing I want to take. Nothing stands clear to me. I might take a trade if it comes near here or if it sweeps to the downside. Other than that, we're just gonna keep waiting. Let the institutional orders pass through and see what happens. Right now it's just moving too fast, and I am not playing these games with these choppiness in the first few minutes. So let's allow a bit more time to pass by, and then we'll try to see what we can find. If we see a setup and we like it, we'll take it. If we don't like it, we won't take it. Again, today we might not trade. We might trade. Who knows? We'll see. Now, if we're to see a reversal, number one, I needed to break through this kind of, it's not really a trend line because it's not too valid, to be honest. Jeez, look at that. Beautiful rip to the upside. But yeah, I mean, this is not an entry. We can easily just have this kind of thing happen now, which is just not fun to trade. So we shall wait, we shall observe. Now, you never want to trade on these giant candles. It's quite literally too unsafe. A lot of people would see these candles and go, whoa, you know, a lot of movements happening. Oh, we must be bullish now. We must be going to the upside. But what if this is a manipulation? What if this is just one big hedge fund trying to push to the upside to sell to the downside now? Like you have no idea. So you want to see a collective agreement of multiple hedge funds, multiple retail traders to tell you where the market is actually gonna go, where it actually wants to go. And for that to happen, we have to wait for more candles. One candle is not enough, unfortunately, for me to make any decisions. So I would like it to come back down now. Not sweep down all the way. If it starts going down and engulfs all of this, then we're gonna have to hold off for a bit longer. Then it's a very, very choppy environment, which we don't trade. So we keep waiting, we keep looking, we keep watching. Now I've made these two 1 hour fair value gaps that you can see here. You have this one and we have this one. For me to be bullish, I would like a candle to close and start not going below this section, essentially. So let's wait for this candle to close. If this candle closes within this fair value gap, then it's no longer valid. A very big wick, very big strong push to the upside. Now this could be a Judas swing, it's very possible. This first initial move also could have been the only Judas swing. It could have been that they're trying to sell this off in order to push to the upside. But of course, this can be a second Judas swing. There could be a third one. It's not really that likely for there to be a third or fourth one. But it can happen. It can happen, and you have to be ready for those kind of situations. So I'm still not gonna take any trades. I'm still gonna let it be. I'm gonna wait out and see what happens. The only thing I would hate here for it to happen is, like I said, is just a choppy environment when we're constantly coming in and out of this fair value gap, and not actually making progressive bullish movements. So that's the only thing that I would not like to see happen, because that just means no trades. It just means we can't take it. You know, it's not high quality essentially. So we keep on looking, we keep on waiting. Find something that we like. And right now I don't like anything. Yeah, no need to force trades. When there's no trades to take, no need to force a trade. No, I'm a big move guy. I don't like to scalp in the 1 minute. Like, I could short here right now and take a profit somewhere here, but that's not my style. I don't like it. It's too risky. To try trade within the 1 minute is so hard, in my opinion. It's really, really hard. And it's much easier to just look at the 5 minutes and 2 minutes and determine from there what the right action should be. We keep on waiting though, we keep on waiting. It's a very bearish rollover. Yeah, not a good entrance to do anything here. Don't like it. Even though like it's only, you could do a short scalp here for the downside, but I need more context. I just need more context, unfortunately. We keep on waiting, baby. We keep on waiting. No need to rush it. Oh, see, there we go. That's why I'm not confident in, like, that entry would have been really bad, like, for example, you know. That's what happens here. Now, if you're bearish, if this candle closes below this wick, you could still go short. But again, it's not my style. Like, again, I would trade like these kind of areas, you know, like I would trade like these kind of areas. I like much more. Obviously, this huge swing, we didn't take it yesterday, or we didn't even have the chance to take it because Topstep went down, unfortunately. So, but it was still fine because we got a good setups along here, so it wasn't that big of a deal. And like this is nice, you know. You have a nice steady uptrend. Price action isn't the worst. When it comes to openings, it just, I don't know, I just don't like it. It can get so choppy, you know. Like a quick thought in my head, it just came in to do a short on this, but no, it's simply too risky because you have no confirmation of actually what's gonna happen, and these candles are telling you just a weird story. Obviously, we're here now trying to push to the upside, which is good. And listen, I am bullish, but I want this to come down first. Actually, I'm going to take this guy out because it's no longer valid. All right, let's see what happens when it reaches. Whoops. Right there. Nasdaq is much more bullish than ES. This could potentially be a huge sweep to the upside on the Nasdaq to go to the downside, but we'll see. We'll see. Again, we gotta wait for the market to tell us what's happening. You know, what is it? Where is it actually going? And there's people who are gonna be, you know, panicking and thinking, "Oh, I could have. Oh, if only I bought here and sold up here." Yeah, you could have, but that would have been probably luck. To go long here is not a safe move. Let's go back to the opening. To go long, let's say on even on this candle right here, that's very unreasonable in my opinion, because you have the fair value gap which can go up to and just bounce back down. You're in a downwards kind of trend. It can easily go to the downside or to the upside, and that's just not safe to trade at all. Now we're reaching the top here. We're reaching the. It's not really. It's more of a resistance. I was gonna say order block, but it's not an order block. It's not valid. Now the other thing I'm also looking at is the convergence that we have here. Nasdaq is so much more bullish, sorry, than the ES. The ES is much more bearish. We're coming to a point of resistance on the Nasdaq, but we're still very, very far on the ES. More than likely, Nasdaq is going to reach somewhere in this area and start bouncing back down to the downside, and we'll see what happens. No rush. Again, no rush. There's no we stay disciplined here on this channel. We don't rush anything. We don't cross our fingers for luck. We take it out. We take it as it is. We take it as it is. We observe. We observe. We observe. We observe. So we're now inside the fair value gaps. I'm going to take out this 1 hour fair value gap. It's no longer valid because we closed above it now, so it's no longer valid, unfortunately. Although the bearish one was invalid, but now we have a new one, which is bullish, and it's this. Oh, whoops, that's the wrong one. So let me just do that. This is the 1 hour fair value gap. Although, no, it's actually unreasonable to do that fair value gap because this candle still hasn't closed. Yeah, no, actually I can't do that. That's not a valid fair value gap, fortunately. Okay. We might see a quick scalp here to the downside, but I have to actually see it happen. For me to do a scalp, or for me to do a bearish move, I need to see a bit of stagnation, a bit of consolidation in this area. I need to see an attempt to the upside. So let's say this is the top. I need to see it come down, come up again, not reach the same high, make a lower high, and then start coming back down, and then I would do a short. Otherwise, it's a bit unreasonable to do it now. So what are the candles telling us here? Nah, not enough. Not enough for me to make any sense out of it. We gotta keep on waiting, unfortunately. Even if it crashes back down now, that's okay with me. That's okay. I'm not mad. Because imagine if you, like imagine the same thing comes back down, and you short here, and immediately pushes back up. And like you'd think it's a fair short because it hits the fair value gap right here, but it just came back up. So that's why if this was to come up here, stop somewhere around this level, and then come back down again, I would then do a short potentially with a tight risk to the upside of this. But now like this can easily happen here. So that's why we're not doing a trade. That's why we keep waiting. We stay patient. We stay patient. We keep waiting for an edge. No need to rush. No need to force it. We'll take it as it is. We are looking to be heading to the upside in the big scale of things. Like I'd imagine buy side liquidity would be touched by today. There you go, same thing. What's happening here? If you're too short there, you're probably gonna get stopped out. Unless... I'm considering doing a short here, but I need a few more candles to confirm. Let's stay out of the 2 minutes. Let's stay in the 5. Oh. No, I still can't. I still can't. There you go. That's why I can't. That's why I'm glad we did not do a short there. Now I did say I want to see a bit of a lower high, and like this isn't enough context. It's like in like a higher time frame is much better than lower time frame. And what I mean by that is I did say I want a second. Well, look at this engulfing candle. Holy crap, that's not good. Let's wait for this candle to finish and see what happens. I was gonna say, I want to see a second lower high. Now on the 1 minute, it did technically happen here, but I don't like going off the 1 minute. I prefer going up to 2 or 5. Yeah, no, sorry. I gotta wait. I need this 5 minutes to close first before I make a decision. And there's 30 seconds left. I don't like it. No, I don't like it. I don't like this really strong wick on the 1 minute. I don't like that. On the 5 minutes, like, yeah, it was a good rollover, but I'm not convinced, unfortunately. I need more conviction for me to do a short. I might still do a short. But we'll see. We have a descending lower lows being made. Now if this high gets taken, not good. Not good for a bearish move. I want this 2 minutes to close below the main body of this for me to be bearish. Otherwise, I'm not taking it. And I don't even see an argument to go long because we're having a descending lower lows and a bit of a mixed highs. Don't like it. I do not like it. It's a nice steady rise though to the upside. I'll keep watch. We'll keep watch. Keep watch and see what happens. It is now touching the very top of this, so we'll see what happens here. Okay. The ES is still very, very bearish versus Nasdaq. Nasdaq is extremely bullish, while the ES is extremely bearish. Let's just keep waiting, candle by candle. Candle by candle. It's just a bit choppy, to be honest. It's not doing good. Even in the 5 minutes, this is really hard to trade. Sheesh, really pushing up, aren't we? Aren't we? If it continues to go up higher, I'm looking at a few things. Number one, again, we have a divergence here. ES is very bearish, while Nasdaq is very bullish. We have reached the top here now, so there's a good argument for the Nasdaq to start going down now. So we'll see what happens. And we also have this line right here we're following. If it was to go push through, I would like to see a bounce off this line. But we'll see. We will see. We will observe. We will keep watch. And don't make any rash, or I should say irrational decisions. There's a fly in my room now. Fantastic. Oh, it's up. You can probably hear the fly flying around. I have my window open, but the curtains are closed, so I don't know how I got it. Go on, get out. Where are you? Get out. There you go. Nasdaq still pushing up, still pushing up. Okay, we seem now to be in the 15 minute fair value gap, which is shown by this line. It is, there's one, where is it, 15 minutes? There's one here, and there's one right here, this big one right here. And I marked the top of the fair value gap. So I would expect maybe a bounce back off this. If not, then the trend line that I showed you on TradingView. But we shall see. We're still really pushing up now. We're now in the middle of the 1 hour one. If I was to do a short, if I see a short, it'd be probably near the bottom of this 1 hour fair value. Oh. The ES is catching up to Nasdaq, it seems. And when I say that, I'm just looking at this guy right here. The divergence I was talking about. The divergence I was talking about. I was talking about. I was talking about. I don't know. My voice sounds weird today. And we have 1 hour left for us to take a trade. Nothing appears, and we go into the weekend happy that we didn't lose money. Okay. Nah. No, I can't. Yeah. I was tempted to do a short there, but no, I need to see a reason to go short. And that reason I don't see yet. I would like it to similar thing. I'd like it to come down somewhere around here, and then go up again, reject, and then go down, and then I would do a short in this area. For longs, similar but a bit different. Go down here, and then come to probably very close to this, above this guy, above this line right here, and I would do a long. Again, high quality setups. The chart is always going to be there. There's always going to be moves. Tomorrow, that is a very bullish rollover. 5 minutes is not showing us anything to the downside. And even going long here, I wouldn't have liked. That is a, what you call it? What you call that? A falling wedge. This guy right here. Or it's called I think it's called a bullish flag. Could have went. I don't necessarily like it, to be honest. So we keep on waiting, baby. We keep on waiting. Keep on waiting. Keep on waiting. Mm-hmm. the volume of the push is slowly dying off, which is good. As you can see, slowly dying off now. Do you know what's funny? Is if you have if you trade, right? If you day trade, and you have a portfolio on the side with, you know, SP 500, safe ETFs, seeing these bullish moves is good for your long-term portfolio. You know, so if anything, we are gaining money right now, just not in this account, just in my portfolio, which I have set also. So it's not the worst thing ever. Really pushing though, gracious. Okay, we've now come above this buy side liquidity area that we have here. We're now coming up to the 15-minute fair value gap, this big guy right here. This is the very top of it. So we're now coming very close to that, and we're also coming close to this kind of top right here. That would be really interesting. So we'll see how that goes too. Pretty big push though for this early on Friday. Usually on Fridays, statistically on Fridays, after the first 2 hours or so of open, it's no longer going up. Like I think it's like 85% of the time or 80% of the time that after 11 a.m. New York time, the stock or the chart doesn't come back to the same level again, and it usually heads down. Let's keep on watching, baby. Keep on watching. What's cool though is the old me. If Jacob a year ago or 6 months ago was trading this, what he'll be doing right now is he'll be doing a short there, a short there, a short there, and get stopped out. It's what's known as chasing the top, or essentially it's the opposite of catching a falling knife. You know, like when you see a sudden drop in stock and you put in a short, you're trying to catch a falling knife, right? And you know what happens when that happens to you, right? Because it's shorting, and you might short and then it just starts reversing all the way and you get stopped out. Same thing when it comes to these very bullish moves. Don't chase the top because you don't know what the top is. You can find out what the top is, but you need confirmation. So I still wouldn't do a short here, even though I have good arguments because it's now past buy side liquidity and it's almost touching the fair value gap of the 15 minutes, and it's coming really, really close to this really long trend line here. I have good arguments to do a short very soon, but I need to see the market tell me it's doing a short. So again, what do I want to see? I want to see it come down, come up, not make a new high, and then come back down, and then I would do a short.
This market is going, it's grinding higher here. Just having that 23,001. We got about 113, 150 points to go for all-time high.
Okay, we're now coming to the breaking block, which is here, which is the top of this fair value gap and the breaking block. What an amazing rise though. Holy crap. Sheesh, look at this. I still can't do a short. It goes against my setup. I need to see this. I can't short. It goes against me. Against me and my system. Unless we see a continuation short, that would be huge. I want to see a good push by the bulls to the upside one more time. See that push get denied, and then I would do a short. Other than that, I can't. I just can't. It's too risky. So let's watch. Golly, look at this candle. Let's watch where the rollover of this candle goes. That is not good. Oh, sorry, actually, it can be good, but we'll see what story it says. Let's keep watching the rollover. We got 4 minutes left in this 5 minutes. 43 seconds left in this 2 minutes. It's very possible for it to go to the buy side liquidity and then go down. It's very possible too. We'll see if that happens. It might not, it might. Three seconds in this candle. Da 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 da. This 5 minutes, I would like this 5 minutes to close below the body of this one to do a short. There's definitely people waiting for shorts, but there has to be confirmed short setup to happen. Two minutes left in this candle. Sorry, 10 seconds left in this candle. Alright, we might soon do a short here, I won't lie. So wait a few more candles. A really cool sign would be that if it really pushed up here and got squeezed back down. Oof. A quick, sweep, that'd be a good sign. I will see. Okay, this one closed below this, that's really good. Would love to see this close also below it, or even better within this body. We have a minute left in this candle. Not the best rollover, but let's see where it ends up. Okay, the volume's really dying off. Not the best rollover on the 2 minutes. 40 seconds left in the 5 minutes. We're now at the top of this fair value gap. It might go up to the order block. It's very possible. The order block, which is here, which is essentially buy sell liquidity. It might go up here, hit this, and then start bouncing off. It's very possible. The ES is really not. ES is so bearish. Come on, bears. Give us a bearish move to the downside. Or a bearish sign, I should say. Oh, very good. Good. I like to see that. I really do. Let's wait for the close of this candle, and then we might do a short. 5 minutes. The rollover on the 5 isn't too amazing now. I like the rollover on 2 minutes. That's looking really good. I like that. I might honestly do a short there with a very tight risk to the upside of this. But let's see. Nah. Never mind. Cancel idea. If it was to close below this doji, I would have shorted, but I guess not. Still heading towards buy side. Okay, it has now reached this trend line. So let's see what happens now. Okay, it's definitely dying off volume wise. But I'm not gonna put in a short yet. I gotta see confirmation. Come on. Let's start to see some bearish action, baby. It might honestly touch the top of this fair value gap. It's very possible. Okay, that's a better sign for going short, but Still want to see something like this. Okay, I can feel a big bear move coming in. Still wait and see. It's okay, I'm relaxed and calm. No need to rush it. If it decides to suddenly crash down now, I'd be okay with that too, because I would not be happy with entering right now, so it's okay. So let's keep on waiting, baby. Keep on waiting. Come on, let's see one little push, and then we'll do a short. When I say little push, I mean push that isn't gonna go above this, obviously. Okay, let's see the rollover. $21. It's a good rollover. I still can't enter. I can't. I need to see a push. That push doesn't count for me, unfortunately. Just doesn't. Although if I was to see a close, come on, let's see one more push until we come back down. Oof, that does look like a good bearish move on the 2 minutes. I won't lie. Now I would do a short without a pullback to here if we saw a candle close below below this low right here. Close, not go through. Close. Okay, well.
Order filled.
I did this on the rollover. We saw a close below this line, and the rollover was very, very bearish. We'll take it. Is my TP profit reasonable? Okay, we can be seeing a full engulfing. We can be seeing that. I need to see this candle close below the halfway point of this candle, or in the half downwards of this 5 minutes. Let's keep watching. Let's see the rollover. The reason was the short is it closed below this neckline here. My TP profit though is interesting though. Is it in a good spot or not? That's the question. We honestly might do one more short if it comes down all the way now. But it has to come down all the way now. We might take it out. If we start seeing it go above this line, close to my stop loss, we're taking it out. My hand is over the stop loss or close in case anything happens, or in case I don't like what I see. Come on, bears. Let's see it. Let's see it happen. If this candle closes above this body, we're taking it out. We can't hold up. It has to close below this body, or in this body, or below the top of this body. In the 5 minutes, it looks good. 2 minutes, not really. 10 seconds left. Two seconds left. Okay, there's the rollover. Okay, I haven't taken it out yet because it was a doji. I thought it would be a more clean close above. It's really tempting me, isn't it? To avoid it. Come on, bears. Let's see it push down. Okay, very good. Come on. We will do one more short, but I want to see the rollover of this candle first before we do a short. Come on. Okay, we'll do one more short there. I'm gonna take down my risk. Come on, bears, push it down. Come on. I'm gonna get it really tight. Very good. The thing I wonder is my... Yeah, we'll keep it here, I think. Okay, decent rollover. Let's keep waiting, keep watching. Oh my goodness, that is not good. At this point, we'll let it go and hit our stop loss. If this engulfing closes above this candle, that's not good. 30 seconds left. Come on, let's see it get denied. Come on, Bears, push it down. Come on. Yeah, no, at this point, we'll let it hit our stop loss. We won't. Five seconds left. Come on, Bears, push it down. Push it down. Just because of this line right here, I'm not going to allow it to go beyond that. If it goes beyond this, that's beyond reasonable to keep it. Ah, sure, it'll be a very small loss anyways, it's okay. Not that big of a deal. 5 minutes still looks bearish, but a lot of wicks. Come on, Bears. Let's take it down. I want to see an engulfing of all this. Letting 3 candles is always a good metric to see if it's actually going to go in the intended direction. 2 minutes, it looks a bit mixed. 5 minutes looks still a bit bearish, which is good. Let's see where this candle goes. 30 seconds left in this candle.
Order filled.
Okay. I'm gonna take it out there. I'm not gonna keep that. Don't like how it looks. Okay. We move on. Move on. Okay. Right. Let's see the divergence. Right. It's a very slow descent. I don't like it too much. Very possible for reversals.
Order filled.
Just do a quick scalp. Okay. Question. Yeah, interesting. Should we have held that and not let it go up? It's a really good question, actually. I'm not sure we should have. I'm really not sure. It's an interesting question. quick scalp. Interesting, yeah. Should we have had our stop loss resting where we had it originally, or keep holding it down? It's a really good question. I have no idea. Okay, well, we'll review that in the after game. Okay, I'm gonna go for a quick piss, BRB. Okay. Let's keep watching. That was a pretty good scalp. Now that scalp, I did it because usually when it comes, if it's bullish, if it's bearish like this, and it comes down to this level, it's a pretty safe short because you know it'll go down a bit. That's why it was a very quick scalp. I didn't expect it to go anywhere down here. Let's see where this goes also. Let's keep observing. Let's keep observing. Mm-hmm. Get ready for a quick scalp here again. Just a quick one. Gosh, not many good moves today. Da 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 da. was going to do a short there, but then I went into the 2 minutes, and we're having higher lows. I don't like that. It's not a good. I like the rollover was decent because it closed here, and the rollover here was actually very good, but the wicks here were a bit scary, and that doesn't scream bearish to me. I'm just curious back here, that trade that took the first one. Was it better if I just held my stop loss here? Was that a reasonable stop loss? I'm curious. I'll have to go back and review, I guess. Now this 5 minutes here, I would like it to close in the bottom half of this black candle. We have 40 seconds left. Let's keep watch, keep watch. Yeah. 16 seconds left. That's a pretty bad rollover. Now for me to go be bearish or bullish on this, I need to see it go above this and close above it also. If we're still bearish, I would like it to say, we'll clear this entire candle, that's for sure. I would like it to engulf this candle and close below this candle, and I would do a short most likely. But again, we shall see. We shall see. Oh, we might do it here. Let's see it happen. No pressure though. If it shows us that it's not going down, then it's not going down. No pressure whatsoever. Double E, double A, double E. Okay, now the argument for going, well, for going bullish, it's gonna take a while probably. For bearish, what I need to see, I would like to see a close of a 2-minute in the bottom half or on the 50 retracement and then below. That would be ideal. Because for now we have a little upwards trend, like so. Let's keep watching though. Oops. Five minutes. We have 20 seconds left in this candle. See where it closes. Eight seconds. Until I found her. Okay, that's actually a really good rollover, I'm not gonna lie. For the downside, we might do a sell here. Let's get ready. Okay, let's actually see the close of this candle here, this 2 minutes, and then potentially do a short. But we gotta see the rollover first. Beautiful. I'm gonna still wait for the rollover, nonetheless. Okay, I'm gonna short right there. I'm gonna do it just below this fill value gap, nothing too crazy. And then I'm gonna do something like this. Okay, and we'll stay in the 5 minutes. Okay. Actually, we'll stay in 2 minutes. It's a bit better. It's gonna hit the very quick fair value gap that we have here, this neckline anyways. I like to see a sweep through this neckline, and I'm gonna do it safely above here, above the 1 hour fair value gap, and above the 30-minute fair value gap also. Come on, bears, let's see a push. To the downside, of course. Five seconds. Come on, bears, let's push it downwards, come on. When I do 4 shares or 5 shares, I take very tight manual control. If it's 3 shares or less, I'll let it play out naturally. But if it's a bigger one, I take my profits much faster. Come on, Bears, let's push it. I know it's fighting that fair value gap right now, which is a bit annoying. Come on, I gotta see a close below this fair value gap that it's in right now. You really don't want to push it down or push it up. Come on, Bears, let's push it down.
Order filled.
I don't like it. I'm gonna leave it. I do not like that. I'm going to leave it. That's fine. It's not really showing me, like, it's not really confirming, to be honest with you. I don't like it. I just don't. So we're way too close to 30 minutes. Way too close. The 30-minute fair value gap, I should say. Okay, it's great that I went down, but it's okay. Listen, it's okay. It's okay. Mm-hmm. That's fine. Listen, those tiny moves you don't care about. If it's that tight, that's okay with me. Yeah, I'm actually glad I took it out. If like it actually wouldn't even have hit my take profit, funny enough. Maybe just barely, but I don't think so. Right, let's continue watching. I have to go in 20 minutes, unfortunately. So if nothing shows up before then, I gotta head. Now we might see a bounce off to here and then to the downside. It's possible. We've I want to classify it as a head or shoulders, shoulder, head, shoulder, which is, it is looking bearish, but yeah, no, these wicks I really don't like. They're a bit ugly. We actually have, yeah, we have this, and we have that. Oh, it's getting, I do not like this choppiness. Hell no. Oh, hell no. Yeah, no, that's great. I'm not playing these games with this kind of constant engulfing. I don't like that. That's great. I don't like that. I wouldn't be comfortable trading this. We're also coming really close to the 50% retracement. So I'm totally cool. I am A-okay. It's okay. I know someday I'm gonna be with you. It's okay. I know someday I'm gonna be with you. Dun, da, 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 dun, da, da, dum, mhm, da, dum, da, dum. Whoa, look at this. Whew. Look at this move, baby. Should I have taken a short there and held that? Maybe. I just didn't like the fact that, number one, we have a resistance here, resistance off the bottom of the fair value gap here, and we have the top resistance here. It's so much resistance, I didn't like. I wasn't convinced of pushing it down, unfortunately. Okay, it's really telling me, it's really giving me the middle finger now, isn't it? Okay, I'm gonna get some food, let this play out. Back in 2 seconds. Smutno mi Boże, ale niestety kłon wiatra i mioski. Smutno mi Boże. We might do a quick scalp again. Don't mind the sounds of the deodorant and some other stuff. That's just me getting ready. I have to leave in 10 minutes. Gosh, okay, it's not a lot of time. Phew. È pareato, sotto pareato, ok? Smutno może, ale nie jest to tego świta i rodzi smutno mi Boże, ale głąb serca. We might do a scalp if this one closes below this blue one. Don't mind me singing, that's just me singing Polish songs. Nope. And that short idea is gone. Oh, unless, yep, it is gone. I'm pretty sure this, oh no, it's still valid. It's still valid. Yeah. Oh, it's actually 1 hour. Excuse me. Yeah, I feel like I'm just gonna stay in this area. I might drop again actually, but I need to leave in 10 minutes. Actually, I'll bring my food up here. Cool. 15 minutes. Nope, doesn't count. Nope, doesn't count either. Nope. Listen, if anything, I'm not showing my realized day P&L because I don't like showing how much money I made or even lost. I made an oath to kind of not share my profits or my losses, and it's also very mentally helpful because I really like not seeing, am I up high, am I not up high, how much have I lost, little, much. It's much easier if it's green or red, that's fine with me, but I don't like knowing, you know, exactly how much I'm up or how much I'm down because it's very psychologically diminishing. So I do have my daily goals, which I know in my head, which I have, and if I reach them, I reach them. The account actually, with Topstep, it's really cool. If you reach your daily profit or daily loss, it will liquidate and immediately block you. Of course, you have to turn the setting on first off, but like it's a really cool option that Topstep has. Goodness, English is a hard language. Okay, I'll be back in 2 seconds. I'm gonna get some food, or what's in the microwave, but I'm sure it's now heated up, so it seems that we're now gonna recover. I doubt there's gonna be a trade here in the next 2 minutes, so or next 10 minutes, I should say. Sorry. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and end the stream. Oh my goodness, look at this volatility. I could do a quick scap. I could. It's a bit risky though, I'm not gonna lie. Go.
Order filled.
Let's go a very quick one. Come on. Okay, I should have not done this trade. I came in very fast. Yeah, no, I should have done this trade. Even if we get profit now, it's going to be against my rules. The rollover on this is going to be horrendous. Oh my goodness, the rollover is going to be... Oh, gross. So gross. Right, I'm just gonna do that, and then I'm just gonna do this. That was so stupid, I should have done that. Okay, just hope it hits my take profit here. Okay, I'm gonna let that be. Okay, roll over. Yeah, no, this trade I should have done. This is a stupid trade. I'm breaking too many rules now. I'm getting a bit heated. I'm gonna take it out. Like I'll like in my journaling I'll critique this even if I get profit now. It's just not a good it's not a good trade. Come on this side. Okay, it's gonna hit me. Gonna stop me out here. Yep, there we go. 100 quid, just like that. Fantastic.
Order filled.
Gracious. It is what it is. It is what it is. Right, I'm gonna end the stream, guys. Bye bye.